In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Gemini and choose the right model. We're keeping this simple and practical so you can get productive right away. First, open your browser and head to the Gemini homepage. When the page loads, you'll land on the main chat interface where you can type your questions or tasks. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your settings and history are saved. Once you're in, take a second to notice the clean layout. A chat box, a response area, and quick access to creative and research tools. Next, look for the model selector. It's typically labeled Model near the top of the page or in a sidebar. Click it to open your options. You'll usually see a fast, lightweight option designed for quick answers and everyday tasks, a more capable thinking or pro option built for deeper reasoning, and in some cases an advanced GoogleAI choice that may require an upgrade to access. Pick the one that matches your goal. If speed matters, like drafting short messages or brainstorming names, choose the fast option. If accuracy and reasoning matter, like long-form writing, outlining a research plan, or analyzing complex instructions, go with the pro or thinking option. If you see an upgrade badge on a model, it simply means that tier offers extra capability that's available on a paid plan. While you're in the model menu, you might also notice tools such as deep search, image creation, canvas, guided learning, and dynamic view. Deep search helps you go beyond simple results to find and synthesize sources. Image creation lets you generate visuals from prompts, great for mockups or social posts. Canvas is useful for planning, drafting, and reorganizing ideas visually. Guided learning can structure a topic into steps or lessons, and dynamic view helps you switch how information is presented so it's easier to scan or refine. Now that your model is selected, you're ready to ask, create, or research. Type your prompt clearly, state the goal, and mention format or constraints if you have them. For example, you can ask for a concise summary, a step-by-step outline, or a draft in a specific tone. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine your prompt by adding context, examples, or constraints, and regenerate. And that's it. Once you've opened Gemini, chosen the model that fits your task, and started your prompt, you're done. If you don't see the model selector, try refreshing the page or checking your account and region settings. Enjoy exploring the tools, and let Gemini do the heavy lifting so you can focus on your ideas.